everyone, welcome to another episode of SG Good Life. Today I'm going to teach you how to make crispy pork lard pieces and get the oil from the pieces. So I have here with me from Sheng Siong the chopped up pork lard pieces. You can get it as a whole and do the cubes yourself, but this is the easy way to do it. And then if there's some long pieces here, I'll just snip it. Pork lard is used in many applications, for example Hokkien Mee, Char Kway Teow, or Jian, and many of the hawker dishes that we love. So this is absolutely essential in Chinese cooking in order to get the kind of fragrance which you cannot get if you do not use pork lard. It's not a very difficult process to do. All you need is this, a bit of ginger, and for me I'm going to put a bit of pandan leaf because that's what I have extra from a few days of cooking a few days ago. So I'm going to start off by boiling the water. While I'm waiting for it to come to a rolling boil, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the skin off the ginger and then do big slices, which I'll show you in a moment. In order for you to get the skin off the ginger, you will need a spoon, and all you have to do is just scrape it like that, and then you'll be able to get the skin out, and then just continue doing. If you don't mind a bit of ginger loss, you can also use a knife and then slice it off. Okay, but I'm just going to use a spoon and then I'm going to show you the slices that we need. Alternatively, if you do not mind a bit of loss, then what you can do is you can just slice off the ginger skin with a knife. So what ginger does is that it helps to remove the taste, the porky taste from the pork when we boil the pork. Slice the ginger like that. My water is currently boiling. This is what we call a rolling boil. What I'm going to do is just going to put the ginger in, and then I'm going to put the chopped up pork lard in slowly, and my pandan leaf. Okay, you don't necessarily need this. I just have this extra from the other day, so I'm just going to put it. And this is what this does is that it will help to remove some of the unwanted strong porky taste from the pork lard. Okay, so boil roughly for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we are ready for the next part. Make sure you separate the pork cubes using a spoon. It has been about 3 minutes, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse off all the gunk and then get ready for the next step, which is to render the fat. So just pour the water down using a colander. Give the pork a quick rinse and then drain as much water off as possible, and then put it back into the pan. And then what we can do is we can start to render the fat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on high fire first, or rather high induction, and then immediately once I start to feel that it's just kind of heating up a bit, then I'm going to lower my fire or my induction to medium low. Okay, so you need about roughly between 30 minutes to an hour to render the fat. Some websites says 30 minutes, some say 45, some say 1 hour. So we just need to look and observe. As you can see, most of the water has evaporated. So I'm going to lower the heat from high to medium low, so that I do not burn it and let the fat render slowly over the course of 45 minutes to an hour. I'm 45 minutes into the rendering of the fat. As you can see, the oil is coming out quite nicely. Just got roughly about 15 more minutes to go. We are currently right now at the 1 hour mark. You can see the pieces are mostly brown, the bigger ones not so, and the oil has all come out. If you want it to be more brown, you can always remove the oil and then fry the leftover pieces so that it can become more brownish. So this is pork lard for you.